A playlist in Stage Traxx is your set list, an ordered collection of songs you will perform in sequence. In this video, we will create a playlist, add songs to it, and look at a few key options that make live performance smoother. To create a playlist, tap the Playlists button in the info bar to open the Playlists sidebar. Then tap the plus button in the bottom toolbar. Give your playlist a name, for example, Friday Night Set. Optionally assign a color to help it stand out visually. You'll also see an autoplay toggle here. If you enable it, songs in the playlist will play one after another without stopping between them. You can always change this later. Tap Save. Just like the Songs view, you filter your playlists and sort or organize them into folders using the More Options menu. Now open your new playlist and tap the plus button to add songs. This opens the Song Picker, which shows your full library with the same search and filter options as the Songs view. Tap the songs you want, or use the More Options menu in the bottom toolbar to select all songs. The Insert Position menu item controls where they land, at the top, at the bottom, or after the currently loaded song. Tap Add when you're done. To reorder songs, hold a song until it starts to hover and drag it up or down. You can also open the More Options menu and choose Reorder Songs by Title or shuffle them randomly. Just be aware that this replaces any manual order and can't be undone. For bulk operations, open the More Options menu and tap Batch Edit. This works similarly to Batch Edit in the song list, but with one extra trick. If you select multiple songs and drag one of them to a new position, all selected songs move together to that position. It's the fastest way to restructure a long set list. To remove a song from the playlist, swipe left on it and tap the Remove button. This only removes it from the playlist. The song stays in your library. Any action in the swipe menu can also be triggered from the Context menu, which can be accessed by a long press or a right-click. Now let's talk about autoplay and loop. By default, playback stops after each song. Useful if you talk to the audience between songs. You can enable autoplay for the whole playlist using the down arrow button in the bottom toolbar, or control it per song by swiping left and toggling the autoplay icon. You can loop a specific song by toggling its loop setting from the Swipe or Context menu. When you tap a song in a playlist, it loads that song and automatically queues up the rest of the playlist from that point. So tapping Song 3 queues songs 3 through to the end. To rename a playlist or change its keywords, color, and autoplay settings, open the More Options menu and tap Edit Playlist. This opens the same dialog you used to create the playlist, where you can adjust any of those settings. Finally, sharing. Open the More Options menu and tap Share Playlist. You can share it as plain text, useful for sending a song list via email, as a playlist file that another Stage Traxx user can import, or as a complete archive that includes all the songs and audio files. That last option is great for sending a full set to a bandmate. In the next video, we will look at playback controls and how the queue works.